Let's start the video. Please wait a few seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How to use spiral effect on your photo in Polish app. Open Polish app, then click spiral option. Open gallery, select photo, apply all spiral and long effect for free. Watch complete video, like video, subscribe my channel.